Today in this video I'll show you how to download Killer Bean Unleashed mod APK latest version, unlock weapon and unlimited armor feature. In this update coming with all gun unlock, unlimited bullet and better gameplay performance. So watch the video carefully until it ends. So don't forget to like and subscribe. So the bullet is switching right here, that an arrow that I'm pointing to show you. Yes, this bullet is switching. So the link in my comment section, go there to download it. No, you can click on that download link. Click on it, that an arrow that I'm pointing. Like, click on it. No, you're going to follow this step. Click on download again. Then I'm going to click on details. Guys, click on details to see the file. Right over there, you're going to see that your Killer Bean is download right I'm pointing. Yes, that is the file, guys. So you have to wait on it till it finish download right now. Yes, as you can see, it's almost finished, guys. Soon as it finish, I will show you another trick to use. So do not skip the video, so you don't miss out on the important details, guys. Do not skip the video, please. Yes, if you skip the video, you're going to miss out on the important instructions, so do not skip it. So watch it till the end, so you're going to get it 100%. So wait until it complete right now, guys. So right here, it finished download from that process that I showed before. Now you're going to click on that files right now. Click on it. Tap on install now, guys. Now you're going to see the file is installed in. So I'm waiting on it until it complete, guys. So wait on it till you see it done are open. So I'm going to wait on this file until it. So I'll tap on open right now. Tap on open. Now you're going to see this app is loading up now, everyone. So as you can see, everything is working perfectly for me. So this is the app is open. Yes, the Caribbean Unleashed app loading up right now. So let's see. Now you're going to see that your Killer Bean Unleashed download now. So you're going to follow this step to make it work now, guys. So let I show you the step that you're going to follow. Now you're going to go to store. No, guys, go to store first to activate this weapon. As you see it, all the weapon activate now, guys. So what you want to do now? Click on play. Click on store one now, guys. Yes, you see that store one, you're going to click on it. Then you're going to click on play level. Then you're going to click on next, guys. Click on next. No, guys, you can play. Now, as you can see, I'm playing Killer Bean now. I will show you the bullet I switching to. So in the left on corner, you see that I am switching out these weapons. So look, guys, I'm playing with that bullet arc right here. If this video help you, don't forget to like and subscribe.